Here I have TCL 405, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So firstly, you should turn your device off by holding down power key. And after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see TLC logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option Wipe Cache Partition. Then tap Yes, and after you see message Cache Wipe Complete, select the first option Reboot System Now, and device will be restarted, just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.